Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we will create smooth smoke strokes using shape dynamics. Choose a long soft brush, open brush setting and activate shape dynamics. And also add small size jitter and add angle jitter to twist the brush as you paint. Lower roundness for stretched strokes. Begin painting on upward soft curves. Use light pressure for thin smoke, heavy pressure for thick areas. Blend strokes for motions and also add highlights near the center, darken edges for contrast, keep layering for realism. Shape dynamics build beautiful smoke patterns, and that's how you paint smoke easily. Thanks for watching.